Today we're going to do a quick clutch install on my freshly rebuilt engine. So we have our SR Motorsports aluminum flywheel here. Put our clutch disc on. And I've read some things about people doing this visually or using a screwdriver or a socket extension, but you kind of want this to be perfect. So you need to get the tool that fits this car. And this is a Dorman. The part number is 14503. It's a little bit pricey. This was $1.79 at AutoZone. Go buy the correct tool for the job. Make sure that that thing is centered. We're going to put our pressure plate on. We have 6 13mm bolts that hold this on. The factory service manual says 14 to 19 pounds of torque on each. I'm just going to put these in here quickly. I'll run them in with the drill just to save time, and then we can do a final torque. I do not have the flywheel holding special service tool, so I'm going to do my best to do it by hand, opposite. And working around, don't take a ton of torque. You always remember when you're doing multiple fasteners like this, large circle to do them right. Almost screwed up my sequence. And since the range is 14 to 19 pounds, I'll just set this for 18. This will spin in a little farther with the drill. And that's it.